What is new technology? Oh, so many new technologies are emerging. Let me search for best technologies. So many new age technologies. What's best for me? I am confused now.
So many questions in my mind. Where are the answers? Oh, this institute is providing all new age technologies. Let me see. What all new age technological courses this institute is providing. Ah, great. Artificial intelligence, AI, virtual reality, VR, machine learning, data science, Python, big data, cyber security, robotics, blockchain, 3D print, digital learning, Microsoft Office, cloud computing and security. So many courses at a single platform. Great. What's the website name? Let me go through it sincerely. It's a question of my career. I need to choose the best. These courses are for every student, be it professionals, millennials, entrepreneurs, from 6 to 12 standard, graduates, PGs, engineering etc. Our institute vision: the institute will be a world leader in preparing professionals who can provide leadership and exemplary educational and related services to improve the lives of individuals in a digitally changing and complex global society.
Our mission is to inculcate curiosity and inventiveness in the mind of every passionate learner, develop purpose of life and making the future ready at the hypersonic speed into a global knowledge or information age. In today's world of artificial intelligence, robotics and the fourth industrial revolution, we prepare professionals and students for uncertainty and promote agility and adaptability.
Why PPDi? Because we provide all future technology courses at a single platform. Secondly, online teaching platform with interactive individual attention. We have professional teachers from corporate who provides hands-on training in each of the courses. Our teaching is bilingual, keeping in mind the Hindi-speaking population. Students can attend from anywhere. Classes at flexible timings, weekend and weekday classes. We provide class recordings, live projects, practical approach in teaching and live case studies. At last, one of the big highlights is that we provide placement assistance to each student. Let's go through in details of each of the courses. Number 1 is artificial intelligence. Let's see the future of AI. It is permeating every major industry from healthcare to transportation, education, finance and insurance. AI is contributing to a transformation of society, happening 10 times faster and a roughly 3,000 times the impact of the Industrial Revolution. AI is shaping the future of humanity across nearly every industry. It is already the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics and IoT, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. In this sector, nearly 1 lakh plus jobs are waiting to get filled, where an expert student in the field can get a salary of up to 25 lakhs or more. We have advanced to expert level certificate courses available for any student who can join weekend and weekday classes. They can join from anywhere online. In the expert level artificial intelligence course, each student will get expertise in machine learning, data science and Python also. Do not wait. Make a career in fast emerging AI sector. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Next is virtual reality. We are going to see VR in all fields of technology. VR applications involve taking total control of a user's senses, sight and hearing, to create a totally immersive experience that places the user in a fully virtual environment. Very soon, VR creators will extend the sensory like touch and smell to deepen that sense of immersion. Hurry up, 1 lakh plus jobs are waiting to get filled in VR, whereas a certified expert you can get up to 20 lakh yearly salary. Advanced to expert level certificate courses available online, weekend or weekday classes, moreover live case studies taught by expert professionals. Make a career in fast emerging virtual reality sector. Become a certified VR expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Next big technology would be robotics. Robots will be a more integral part of our daily routine. Robots that can use computer vision and natural language processing. We may see machines that can interact with the world more, such as self-driving cars and digital assistants. Robots have the potential to enhance our lives. They may be able to improve healthcare, make transport more efficient, and give us more freedom to pursue creative endeavors. So what are you waiting for? Already 60,000 plus jobs are waiting to get filled. Where as an expert robotics engineer, you can earn more than 25 lakhs salary annually. Join our online certificate full course and get expertise in machine learning, data science and Python also. Make a career in fast emerging robotics sector. Become a certified robotics expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Cybersecurity. By 2025, 60% of organizations will use cybersecurity risk as a primary determinant in conducting third-party transactions and business engagements. By 2025, 80% of enterprises will adopt a strategy to unify web, cloud services and private application access from a single vendor's security service edge platform. By 2026, 50% C-level executives will have performance requirements related to risk built into their employment contracts. Join the job-rich, cybersecurity course where 2 lakh plus jobs are waiting to get filled. As a cybersecurity expert, you can earn more than 18 lakhs salary annually. Join our online certificate full course and get expertise in data science also. Secure your career in fast-emerging cybersecurity sector. Become a certified cybersecurity expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Data is the future. In future, big data analytics will focus on data freshness for real-time analysis, enabling better informed decisions and increased competitiveness. Data engineers are developing innovative ways to uncover insights hidden beneath the heap of data without requiring huge budget. Don't wait, 2 lakh jobs are waiting to get filled. Where as an expert big data analyst, you can earn more than 20 lakh salary annually. Join our online certificate full course and get expertise in data science also. Make a career in fast emerging big data sector. Become a certified expert as big data analyst. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Blockchain technology, focus on scalability and security. Governments are likely to begin implementing distributed ledger technology systems that will replace traditional paper-based systems. Blockchain systems can solve identity systems and provide a single source to verify identity and assets. So what are you waiting for? Already 60,000 plus jobs are waiting to get filled. Where as a blockchain technology expert, you can earn more than 20 lakh salary annually. Join our online certificate full course and get expertise in data science also. Make a career in fast-emerging blockchain technology sector. Become a certified blockchain technology expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in. Python is being used in system development programming language. Huge brands and search engine giants like Google, Yahoo, Quora, Facebook are using Python programming to solve their complex programming problems. Unlimited opportunities, already 2 lakh plus jobs are waiting to get filled. Where as an expert Python programmer, you can earn more than 14 lakhs salary annually. Join our online certificate full course and get expertise in data structures as well. Make a career in fast emerging Python programming language. Become a certified Python programmer expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in. 3D printing technology. Rising demand for specialized materials will continue to drive developments in the range and types of options available. Additive manufacturing will become part of an integrated supply chain. In an integrated production environment, 3D printing will boost supply chain resilience, reducing waste during production. 5,000 plus jobs are waiting to get filled. As a 3D print technology expert, you can earn more than 15 lakh annually. Join and get expertise in 3D animation and software also. Join the fast emerging 3D print technology sector. Become a certified expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Cloud computing and security is the future because of the continued rise of hybrid and multi-cloud, the growth of edge computing, more AI and machine learning, greater focus on security, continued price wars, and increased regulation. Join fast, already 50,000 plus jobs are waiting. As an expert, you can earn more than 18 lakh salary annually. With full course, get expertise in cyber security also. Make a career in fast emerging cloud computing sector. Become a certified expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in. Digital marketing. As AR and VR opening up opportunities that are relatively transforming the internet. Metaverse seems futuristic. Content will become richer. By 2032, non-fungible tokens will have come into their own and improve of customers' interactions with the brands. So what are you waiting for? Already 5 lakh plus jobs are waiting to get filled. As an expert, you can earn more than 18 lakh salary annually. Join full course and get expertise in SEO, web analytics and mobile marketing. Join the enhancing digital marketing sector. Become a certified digital marketing expert. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
Learn Advanced Excel to work as a freelancer, Advanced Word and Advanced PowerPoint presentation for professionals, job seekers and students. Short-term certificate course with freelance work opportunities. Earn 50k plus monthly income.
So make a smart decision. Join the future technology revolution. These technologies are the future, you have to be a part of it by default. Special discounts in fees approximately 50 to 60%. Best of the teachers with live case studies. Be future ready for the next 15 years revolution. 100% placement assistance guarantee. No age bar, anyone can learn from any background. Basic, advanced and expert level courses.